Hi everyone, I'm Robyn Zimmerman and this is Talk of the Town. Norm Galloway has joined us. He is the president of the very popular Hilton Head Computer Club, and it's actually celebrating its 35th year.
Yes.
You're going to have an event on November 4th, which is the Monday actually before the election.
Yes.
And we'll talk about the event in a moment. But Norm, it's good to see you. Norm and I are actually really good friends. We both go to St. Luke's Anglican Church. But let's begin with the club. It's fulfilling such a great need in our community. So tell us about what you all do, the services you provide.
Sure. Well, one of the things that amazes us is we have about 1,100 members.
Okay.
And the amazing thing about that is we don't have multi-year membership, and we do charge a little bit, so people have to renew their membership every year, and we have about 1,100 people that do that. Faithfully. But what we are is we're like the techie next door. When people have a techie question, either with a phone, a tablet, or a laptop or desktop, we try and help. And we don't do hardware repair, but very few of these devices fail with hardware now. It's always, how do I do this? How do I do that?
Right.
Or this is happening and I'm seeing this message and how do I get rid of it?
Right.
So we have phone calls and we have walk-in people that ask questions.
And your location is where, Norm?
We're with the Island Rec Senior Center in Shelter Cove Lane. It's 70 Shelter Cove Lane, and that's the facility that the sheriff is in. So it's just off 278, just on Shelter Cove Lane.
And so you were sharing with me earlier that most people, a lot of folks drop in.
Yes.
But a lot of people just call. You said the email or call, but they call. They're in the middle of something. They're on their laptop or their phone, and they can just pick up the phone. And is there always someone there to help?
Yeah, we're there. We're open from 10 to 4 every day. And during that time, we have Apple volunteers and Windows volunteers in the club. And they're both answering the phone and helping people that walk in.
Okay, and on November the 4th, as I said earlier, is your big open house celebration for 35 years.
Yes.
So talk about at 1 o'clock you're going to be doing as a president, the state of the state, the state of the club.
Yes. Yeah, we're a not-for-profit, so we have an annual meeting, an annual members meeting, and it's open to the public. And so I'll do it like a 15, 20-minute presentation on our bylaws and our finances. But the most important thing is after that we have food.
Of course.
And then we have stations open to really demonstrate exactly what we do and help people understand. And people can actually walk in with questions. And we'll have Apple and we'll have Chromebook and we'll have a lot of artificial intelligence work going on, a lot of streaming work going on. And people can walk around and see it. So if you have a streaming question, you can walk in and somebody can demo how, okay, this is how you do it on your TV at home.
It's 1 to 4.
1 to 4.
And at the location, right.
People don't have to come for the meeting. The meeting will be dull.
No, not with you speaking.
No, the meeting. But then anytime from 1 to 4, just drop in, spend as much time or as little time as you want. And we do encourage people that are not members to come in and just take advantage of asking a question.
And an individual membership is $30 for the year, which is a deal. And then for the whole family, it's $40.
Yes.
So you can go on the website, or I guess even that day you could sign up.
Yeah, we have a paper form you can fill out, and we take checks. We don't take credit cards at the club. You have to go online.
Cash, or whatever, I guess.
Check or cash. And then we prefer people to go online and use a credit card, but however people want to do it, we try to.
Unfortunately, we have like 45 seconds left, but what are your most common questions?
It's mostly, how do I do this? And right now, the most popular thing is artificial intelligence.
I know.
And people, it's amazing how much people can do with artificial intelligence, everybody. And so we're spending a lot of time on helping people with artificial intelligence. How do I ask a question to get the right answer?
How do I use the tool? It is a tool.
It's a tool that answers questions, and it's what question you ask.
Yes.
It's the important thing.
And so let's have you back and let's just talk about AI.
I'd love to do that.
I think that would be
And
good.
actually, there's a fellow named Bruce Kane that is our AI expert.
Okay.
And that would be a wonderful
Okay,
time.
good. All right, the anniversary celebration is on November the 4th.
November 4th, 70 Shelter Cove Lane.
All right, very good. Good to see you, Norm.
Thank you, Robyn.
Thank you, and thank you for your service. And
Thanks.
again, you're a volunteer, and you have great volunteers that really contribute to our community in a very positive way, important way. Thanks.
Thank you.